So apparently she had this, it was hidden away in a closet that someone in the family got her years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. So I might do a review on this today. I've never used an air fryer, so might do an unboxing of this and test it out on my chicken drumsticks today. Alright. Alright, yeah, let me go ahead and open this up. I'll put it to use if no one else wants to. Should be a simple, you know, plug in and use it type of situation, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, pretty simple, right? So hold on, let me pull this out. Yeah, I don't have my GoPro set up like I usually do, like on my head or stationary. But here it is, check it out. There you go. That's it. Plug, simple. And this, I guess, opens up. It's got tape on it right now. And then I'll be able to pull it open. I like very simple devices that are put together and they just work. You turn it on and they work. There you go. And then it'll go in here. Had to figure out how to clean this. I never cleaned one of these before. Oh boy. But so right now my chicken drumsticks are, I put a little bit of avocado oil on it, so, but I already seasoned it. I put it in there, and you gotta start, stop. I have to plug it in and see. Interesting. Start, stop. So you can turn it. I may need to look into that, see how to turn that, and I didn't know it was gonna have a turn dial like that. Maybe that's for temperature. Oh, look, you can press it. So maybe you started by pressing it. So it's very simple then. So I'll probably start it, and then I'll use this to turn the temperature. But I'll see. Let me go plug it up and see. I'm not going to do it right now. Well, let me go test it out here downstairs. So there are instructions here. There's instructions on how to clean it. Right there. So pause it if you want to see it. There's like some little rubber. There's like 4 rubber pieces on the inside. I want to make sure those are supposed to be there. Make sure they're not supposed to be removed first. But other than that, pretty simple setup. I'll show you in a second. Also, it does say it's recommended to clean it first. So let me go ahead and do that. And then I'll show you what it looks like down there. And here's like a full little booklet that they have in here. Let me get started. Alright. Booklet. Again, it's not that difficult. It's an air fry. Turn it on. Here, this is the main part. The main part that I look over. So turn to the left to lessen time and lower temperature. Interesting. There's a temperature. Yeah, I'm gonna go actually turn it on and see what I can do. Figure it out down there. There you go. Yeah, I'm actually gonna do this. I'm gonna do the 375 for the chicken. That's what I'm going to do. The default time is 22 minutes. I may do like 30 overall and turn it over like 20 minutes. I'll see. So I think this is the bracket part I was talking about. So this does come up. So I think I need to remove these. These are the rubber parts I was talking about. I think I need to remove them and then I can lift it up. And I don't know if they're supposed to go back on or not. So let me take these off. Because based on what I read, this does come up, this part. This part, and this is the big basket, and this is the basket. The basket rack is what it's called. So let me lift it up. Yeah, so you just lift it right up. So I don't need to take off the rubber parts. Those are the rubber parts on the end. right there. But yeah, it looks like it'll just come right up. So, and then I'll wash it off. So let me plug it in, see what it says. Oh, that's on. But I'm not starting it yet. So turn it. So temperature. Now I can change temperature. Alright, 375. And I press time. And I can set this. Like I said, I'm gonna do like, thinking like 28 minutes. Set it 30 minutes from now, but I'm gonna unplug it. I don't know if it'll save. Oh look, you do chicken setting. 22, nah. Am I gonna, I guess I press start to start it, but I'm not gonna press that yet. I haven't put the chicken in. Very simple. Alright, so I got that going. So here's the chicken. So this out. I did wash it out. I'll set these in here. Based on what I saw in the video, place them like this. And I'll try to put this one in the center. Alright, and I gotta put it back in. There you go. 30 minutes, 375 degrees, and it started. So it's going. Hopefully it heats up fast. It says like a preheated, but I don't feel like preheating it right now. And I'll flip it over and I'll come back and see if that'll count down. I don't know yet. And then I'll flip it over at 15 minutes. Alright. And my chicken does have a little bit of avocado oil, so it should be a little better. So look, excellent. It's at 27, so it does have a timer basically. It does like show you the time. There's a countdown. So I just read the instructions again. It is supposed to beep when it tells you to, it's called shake it. But I'm just gonna turn it over, honestly. Turn the chicken over around 15 minutes if it lets me. I'll see. Alright, so 16 minutes. I was gonna wait 15 halfway, but look, it did work. 15 minutes, just beeped. I caught it. It says shake. Ooh, look at it. It is crispy. Alright, it is crispy. It's juicy. I'm gonna shake it, I'm gonna turn it over. Using one hand here, so. There we go. I'm gonna put it back in there. It has a burning smell too. Yeah. Alright, and now it's going again. I'll be back 15 minutes. So I do my spaghetti aglio, however it's pronounced. Alright, it's finished. I heard it beep 3 times. Ooh. Yeah, something like 25, 22 minutes would have been good actually. Cooked a little bit too long. It's definitely done. This is amazing that you can cook food this fast, man. The Jetsons, man. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, 22 to 25 minutes next time. That would be good. I definitely cooked it too much. It does look crispy. Mmm. Taste test. Let me get the rest of my food. Alright. I just don't like the smell. It's like a burning smell, but it's good. Here's the food. Sweet peas from yesterday I cooked. Taste a little piece of this chicken here. It's good. It's crispy. It is good. Can't say it tastes like deep fried chicken, obviously, but I put a little avocado on. Think I cooked a little bit too long. Next time I do 25 minutes. The recommended time is 22, but I'll try 25 next time. Then maybe with my chicken thighs on Saturday. I don't know if I'll record it, but anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.
Oh my